Welcome back to another cool tool show and tell. Today, once again, I've got Jordan Bunker back with another tool recommendation. Jordan, what are we talking about today?
The first thing I want to show you today is actually a really simple tool. It is not one of these. It is my solution to one of these. I work on a lot of really small models and stuff like that. And sometimes, these giant bottles of oil are just too big. Lubricant can be really difficult to apply in small places. So the solution that I've found is actually these little precision oilers. They come with a little clip. I don't know why you would want to, I don't know why you'd need this in your pocket, but it's useful, I guess. And it has a syringe tip. So if you want to apply oil to just a very small thing, it's perfect for getting into those tiny crevices rather than, spraying and praying that it gets into the spot that you want.
Yeah, right. So you can fill it up with whatever oil you like using, right? So it doesn't have to be 3-in-1. It could be whatever your magic, sauce is, right?
Exactly. And a lot of them come with oil in them, and I honestly kind of get rid of it because I don't know what it is. I prefer knowing what I'm lubricating with. And these syringes, I can undo it. They just unscrew, and you can put your own oil in there. This is just 3-in-1 oil, but I've got another one with Teflon-based lubricant in it. So these are really great. You just kind of squeeze them. I've seen them used a lot in sewing kits. Model makers use them all the time. It's perfect for getting into those tiny spots where you just want to precisely apply oil.
Right.
Just a drop or two.
You mentioned squeezing it. Is it a plastic tube or is it glass? It looks like glass, but it's got a little give to it.
It's actually plastic, yeah. So you can squeeze it. It's I've had these for probably 10 years. A lot of plastics will break down and crack over time, but these are only $4 a piece or something like that too. So if it breaks, you just buy another one.
Yeah.
So it's not really a big deal, but it does make applying oil a lot easier.
It's great because, I've definitely made a mess when I've tried to spray stuff or drop stuff out of the original bottle. Now, I was talking recently, a few episodes ago, with Jen Herkenroder for her welding tip cleaner recommendation. And the one she loves has that little pen clip element to it, I think. And what she was appreciating about it is that for her kind of jumpsuit, she has a perfect spot for her to clip that in there, so it's not jumbling around in her pocket. I imagine something like that, even that little silly pen clip, it might, if you have the particular garment where you have a little pen holder type pocket, maybe
I imagine if you're a model railroad guy, or model railroader, and you have to oil all the little things. Maybe you're in a show, you just clip it to your pocket. That could be really useful. I don't know. There's an abundance of tools that have pocket clips, and I'm not sure why.
Well, it's a great recommendation. I think at $5, it's absolutely worth me getting one just to be able to more precisely apply oil on smaller projects. Thank you, Jordan. And what have you been up to recently? Where can people find out what you're up to?
You can check out my website, hyrotechnics.com. I think that's about it, really. A blog post. I'm hoping to make some YouTube videos soon. I'll link those on my website.
All right, great. Thanks again, Jordan.
Thank you.